Iawn te, wel, wyt ti'n gwybod pwy sy'n dod I fewn I siarad efo ni ar y soffa yma? Beti George.
Beti George.
The Queen of Broadcasting.
Yeah.
Ydy.
I'm quite nervous.
A fi hefyd dipyn bach.
Yeah, we better revise well.
Mynd I ffilmio cwpwr dillad gyda Beti.
Oh, okay.
Ac o'n i'n nerfus iawn, ond mae hi'n hyfryd.
Siw mae cwbwrdd?
Gwych. Reit te, beth am Beti? Wel, mae Beti yn cyflwyno rhaglen radio o'r enw Beti a'i phobl ar Radio Cymru ers tua 30 o flynyddoedd. She's been doing this programme for about 30 years. Ac dechreuodd Beti fel gohebydd as a reporter ar y newyddion ac mi wnaeth Beti yrru bws yn y rhaglen Briodas Fawr. She learned how to drive the bus full of guests. Dwi'n cofio gweld hi'n mynd rhwng Blonydd Cul. Rwan, yn ddiweddar, mae Beti wedi ffilmio cyfres ddogfen am Alzheimer's, achos mae partner Beti yn dioddau o Alzheimer's, felly gawn ni siarad gyda hi am hynna.
Yeah, absolutely.
Rwan, I thought, dwi wedi cyfarfod Beti lot o weithiau, kind of know her, and I'm not very good at using the chi form, because I like to get nice and familiar.
Yeah.
But I don't think you've met her, have you? Or have you?
No, I don't think I've met her,
ti ddim yn nabod hi. Ac yn ôl y rheolau, according to the rules, you should probably call her chi. So, Dych. So you can ask things like, okay, so you present Beti a'i phobl.
Dych cyflwyno?
Cyflwyno.
What was the name of this?
Beti a'i phobl.
Beti a'i phobl.
Do you enjoy it?
Dych joio cyflwyno?
Ardderchog. So what do you enjoy about presenting?
Beth dych joio am cyflwyno?
Da iawn. What do you enjoy about interviewing? So
beth dych joio neu mwynhau am... What was it?
Like interviewing
Yeah,
people.
Holly. Holly pobl.
Ardderchog. Ac mae hi'n hoffi cerddoriaeth glasurol, classical music. So what do you like about classical music?
Beth dych hoffi am gerddoriaeth?
Da iawn.
Gerddoriaeth clasigol.
Glasurol. Iawn. Felly, symud ymlaen o'r amser presennol back to the past tense to talk about things she has worked on, iawn. So, wneithoch chi is the chi form of nes ti.
Okay.
Yeah? You've done nes ti. Oh, you look frightened.
I am frightened.
Ydy o'n iawn, dych chi'n meddwl?
That word, everybody.
Don't be afraid.
Wneithoch chi.
You can drop the oo sound at the beginning if it's make it easier. Wneithoch chi.
No, that throw me off a bit more.
Oh, okay there. Wneithoch chi.
And that's instead of nes ti?
Nes ti, yes. The chi version of nes ti.
The chi is changed, so that's okay, fine.
Okay. So, did you? Iawn. So, how would you say, did you drive a bus?
Wneithoch chi gyrru bus?
Wneithoch chi yrru bus?
Yrru bus.
Yeah.
Is there a treiglo there?
Yeah.
Okay. After chi?
After the form nes ti and wneithoch chi.
Wneithoch chi, okay. There's a treiglo. A soft mutation.
Soft mutation.
Okay.
How did you... I can't think of an example.
Drive the bus.
How did you drive the bus? Yeah, da iawn.
Sut wneithoch chi gyrru I bws?
Yrru'r bus, da iawn. Sut wneithoch chi yrru'r bus?
Yrru'r bus.
Rwan, dwi'n meddwl bod ni angen dipyn bach o ymarfer. Tra dyn ni'n gwneud hynna, gwyliwch Beti ar 3 lle.
There it is.